Hi guys, it's Emmylou Art. I'm going to be drawing cupcakes today, so let's go. I'm loving cupcakes at the moment because it's my birthday soon and I can't stop eating chocolate cake. I just can't stop eating chocolate cake. Okay, let's go. So you need a pencil, a rubber, and a piece of paper or card or whatever you like. You could even do it as a greeting card for someone, that would be really cool. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is we're going to draw the base of the cupcake. So we're going to go a word. So it's going to be smiles. Think about a smile. Smile. And I want to do one here, but I want to do one in front. So I'm going to do I'm going to just draw it anyway. Like that. They're going to be cupcakes that are like wobbly, because I really like drawing things that aren't necessarily straight or accurate, but not, you know, not straight. Okay, let's go. Okay, so it's like you're going up, you're going da-da-dee, da-da-da. It's like you're going choo, and then choo, and then choo, because you don't want it to be straight up. You want it to be at an angle. La, 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 like that. Then you're going to do, you know, you get cupcakes and you've got like the diddly wobbly bits that you move. I don't have a clue. I have no clue what they're called. But just think of them like that, like la 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 la, and then not straight across. So if it helps, do a line like that first, like it's a smile again, because it has to be the same as that, and then you can do that. And then it will help you see where the line that you're following. Does that make sense? Okay, like that. Okay, then you're going to go, every single time you get a pointy bit, you can do a line down. Pointy bit, line down. Pointy bit, line down. Pointy bit, line down. Oh my word. Okay. Yeah, I can't stop eating cake. I'm eating cake. When it's your birthday, you feel like, it's not my birthday today, but when it is, you just feel like I deserve to eat everything, which then goes on for the whole week. Okay, now we're going to do the frosting, or you could make this really fun, a cupcake, because you can make any topping that you like, but I normally quite like to just do a line there and do a line there. Sometimes they go over it, but I quite like doing a line like that. And then I'm going to do a smile, a wonky smile, because it's okay to do a wonky smile. It doesn't have to be straight because it's going to be the icing. And then here I'm just going to go something different. I'm going to go like this. So it's like a bracket. You've got that bit and that bit, and inside will be awesome, just because. Now in here I want this cake to be over this cake, so I'm going to draw over this cake. So I'm going to do a line and a line. Don't worry about that cake, so we're going to rub stuff out that's inside. Okay, and then what we want to do is build layers. So I'm going to go one. It's like a massive jelly bean. Then you're going to go, and it can be wobbly if you like, or all over the place, doesn't matter. This is the icing. Really want to do piping on cakes, I'd love to do that. And then, okay, now you know icing when it comes out and you're like, it's in ridges. So ridges are like lines. So you're going to do lines like that. If you really want to, because it's a ridge, you can go like this. It's like it's piped in bits that go like that. So you can add that if you want, or it goes the other way. Something's just blown away. And then you've got this bit, so you could maybe say, okay, I'm going to do it more like this. So when the cream comes out, a bit like if you look on a cream cake next time you have a cream cake, you'll see that it's all bobbly and it's so good. So good. You actually feel hungry when you're drawing this. Like, I'm starting to feel hungry. And then on the top, you can do anything. You can just think, oh, okay, I want a cherry. I'm going to do like a great big, you know those is it a gobstopper? Oh, I can't remember what it's called when I was in school. I think it's like you chew it and it turns into gum. Oh, so good. So then you're going to do a big triangle. It's like a wafer. And the wafer can be da-da-dee-da-da, like crisscross. I like to make things look like shiny, so you can just go, because it kind of makes it look like it's, oh my gosh, it actually looks quite yummy. Okay, this one can be something quite slightly different. I'm just getting a bit carried away with the cupcakes. We're going to go smile. It's quite a big smile, that one. And then we're going to go, I think we'll just do a little bit in there. So it's like the icing, then you've got a little bit more icing, and then we're going to do a weird kind of, it could be I only said a carrot, interesting. It could be a strawberry. So we can have a strawberry with a leaf, you know, like inside of a strawberry. So just draw something like that if you want, or you could do some cherries, you could do anything you like. This could keep the same, and then you've got like, this one we're going to draw over, I'm going to say, so don't worry, you're going to do a smile again, then you can do a jelly bean again, like that's a large jelly bean, but we're going to draw a jelly bean, and then you go a bit mad, as in a very good mad, like maybe just draw, you could do a really cool heart shape made out of chocolate. Oh, how good would that be? And then you've got like a cherry with a stalk, then you've got a leaf. Now it's all getting a bit complicated because this is all in the way, so all you'd need to do is get a rubber, which I don't have because I naturally just don't seem to have erasers. You want to get a rubber and just rub out whatever's inside that cupcake. So I'll just do these. They're like little bobbly sweetie bits on there. Like you could decorate everything. This could have hundreds and thousands on it. You know those beautifully yummy coloured things. Oh! Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to rub out whatever's inside. So if there's a cherry you've drawn and you've got the background of that, rub it out. If there's this, rub out whatever's inside there. If you're a bit older, you probably wouldn't need to draw over. Well, not older, but if you're more confident maybe with art, you wouldn't need to draw over this one. You could maybe do behind it or something. Okay, so now I might draw a plate. So line there. Don't know if you remember watching my other videos, but you carry on drawing the line, but you float, 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 then you come out again. Whoa! Ah! So there's my plate. There's my plate. And then a line here to make it look 3D. And then you're going to go, ah! This is quite an interesting plate, but it's kind of like, it's more of a decorative plate. You could do some shadow. This would be like the shadow of the cupcakes, but you probably wouldn't see much. And you could do like, you could decorate the plate as though, oh my gosh, yes, yes. You could do like, you could do sweets on there or anything really, couldn't you? You could just draw whatever you like around the side. You could think, oh, I really want to put a sweet on there, or I want to put some cherries on there. So there's 2 big cherries, and then, do you know what I mean? It would be really nice if you just put what you like on the plate. That would be really cool. And then we're going to colour the moon. Now, I mean, you could do anything. I just might go mad. Not literally, but I'm going to do like that one. I think it's nice to just let loose and just enjoy. Like, enjoy doing it. Don't worry about getting it wrong or right, because at the end of the day, it's all about having fun and seeing what you come up with. Like if you don't like something, just start again. Or, oh my word, there's another wasp. So this one, I might do like this type of thing. I drew pictures yesterday to my feelings, and it was really interesting. You could try that. So if you're feeling down one day, get a piece of paper and do draw something that you feel. It's just quite interesting to see what comes out. So this could be all green if I want. Yeah. Remember, we're going to get your one little finger and we're going to smudge it in, but you don't have to do it now. Now most cake mixtures are this colour. Well, maybe not quite this colour because that means it's burnt, but you know, kind of like this type of colour. But if you ice the cake, then it won't be that colour. And if it's chocolate, obviously it will be quite dark. So I'm just going to colour there. And then the icing, what's really cool is whatever you're using, whether you're using oil pastel or chalk or whatever, you want to kind of go, what colour can I guess, get a blue. You want to go round, and then get your one little finger, whichever one that is, and you're just going to smudge in, because you want to create something that looks 3D, because the more 3D something looks, 3-dimensional, the more it kind of looks real, like it's coming out at you, Can't really see that much, can you? Let's do that. And then smudge. So you want the outside edges quite dark and the middle bit lighter, because it makes everything look rounded. It looks pretty cool. I think that one looks a bit strange, what I've done, but hey ho. And if you want it white, obviously you can leave it white or you can colour it white. If I want something white, I generally do grey, like as the edges, because then it looks like there's a shadow to it. So if you want to leave it white, just outline it with grey might be good. Okay, so now we're going to maybe do like a yellow plate. Whoa, it's like an orangey yellow plate. Yes. And then you could just carry on, basically. You could do the shadow green, you could do like a crazy clown plate where you've got loads of different things. Nice red cherry. I sometimes quite like drawing like cherries that you do most of it like that, and then you just go, because then it looks quite 3D. I'm loving the 3D thing. So once you've finished everything, you want to make sure your fingers quite like not lots of stuff on it, and then you want to just smudge away. So as you're smudging, like all my other videos, you're creating a really nice form to it, so it looks quite realistic. So you want to clean your hands every time you change a colour, really. Oh, my jeans have got completely covered in it. Because if you go from brown to yellow, then it will make it really messy. So I'm not going to do all of my cupcakes. I mean, I might just quickly try, but I wanted to just do it quickly so you could see roughly what to do. But you could literally just go, like I say, go crazy and just do some really cool things. You know, you don't have to copy my design. And yeah, you could really like start doing dark and light, and that one's my strawberry. Everything's red there, I think. So there we are. It's my mum again coming in the garden. So just have a go at doing all different colours. You can keep some of it white, obviously, but I like to cover things. Let's just quickly do Lisbon. And then we do a really cool chocolate heart. Oh, that looks yummy. Then you've got, maybe let's just do the cherries. Let's just do everything. Wow. Wow. Okay. I don't know what this is. I really don't know what it is that I started drawing, but it could be like really cool sweets. So if I just do around the outside, clean my fingers and just go da-da-dee. Okay, so let's see if so basically that is my picture, my cupcakes. Like and subscribe this video and share it, and if you want me to do anything else, let me know. I think I said I was going to do a hamster and a red car, which I will do, but I was just thinking birthday week, let's do some cake, because I love cake. Okay, I shall speak to you soon. I'm just trying to think of the video. It's like, oh, it's not good. I will I think I'll do a bit more. I'll just carry on. So yeah, have a lovely week, and next week I will see you again, and I will be drawing. I'm not quite sure yet, but keep tuned and enjoy making art. Okay, and continue to send me your pictures in, because I love seeing them. Okay, bye.